Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft version of King Ghidorah. Now, I have to draw this kind of small just so I can fit everything in here, so just kind of bear with me, and if it's too small, just kind of, zoom in on it, make the screen a little bit bigger just so you can see all the details. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with Ghidorah's face, and we'll start with that first head. So I want him to be in kind of like a flying pose. So I'm going to start with his face. So right here, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape like this for his nose. Then I'm going to draw two little lines and one that connects them like this. And then a little line that goes over and then down like that. Kind of like a little 3D rectangle. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and then back up. And then two little diagonal lines. And then I'm just going to connect these two lines. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up like this. And that'll form his mouth. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes over, up, over, and then it's just going to go back down for the front of the face. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over, up, and then down like this. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle shape here, and then another little rectangle shape right here. And then I'm going to make a long line that goes out. It's going to go down, and then it's just going to kind of come back like this. So same thing here, just go out, down, and then it's just going to come back like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes across, and then one right here to connect it. Then right here, I'm just going to add a couple little rectangle shapes just on the side there. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to get skinny, and then it's going to get bigger, and it's just going to connect. Then right here, I'm just going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then I'm just going to connect it like that. Make a little line right here. Now, I want to make another face over here. So, to draw this one, we're going to keep it kind of similar to this one that we just did, but we're just going to make a few little changes on it. So, first thing is I'm going to start with the mouth again. So I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to go down, over, up, and then over like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes over, cross, and then down. And then another one that just goes down and then connects to there. Then I'll make another line that goes down, over, and then up. Two little diagonal lines. Do one up here. And then just connect them. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, down, and then connects to here. Two little lines that go over like this, and then connect them. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes over, and then I'm going to put two skinny rectangles up here. Line that goes over, down, and then comes back. Over, down, and that's just going to come back like this. We'll add an extra little line right on top of there. And then just a little line here and a line right there. Then we'll do the same thing, add a couple little rectangles. And then this one, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up to here. It's going to go over, and that's just going to come back down. And then we're just going to draw a little line that's going to connect up to here. Now, over here, we're going to put the third head. So what I'm going to do is once again start the nose. So I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes over, down, and then comes back. And then another one that goes over and across. Then a little line that goes down, over, and then comes back up. 3 little diagonal lines. And then we're just going to connect them. Now right here, I'm going to add a square shape right around here. Then I'm going to add a line here, down, and then over. I'm going to put a skinny rectangle here and then a skinny rectangle right here for those horns. Line that goes down, over, down, and then comes back at an angle. This one's just going to go down and then come back at an angle. And then we'll add those 2 little skinny rectangles right there. Then this neck, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then down. Another one's going to do the same thing, connects. And then a little line right there on top. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to make a little diagonal line right here. Then I'm going to come up here, down again at a diagonal, and then we're just going to come straight down like this. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line here, and another little longer line right there. And then just a little line down. Now I want to put a couple spikes on his back, so I'm going to just start off with a little skinny rectangle. Line that goes over, down, and then comes back. One that goes over and across. One more here, another skinny rectangle. 2 lines. Connect them. Line that goes over and across. Then we'll put one more. We'll do another little skinny rectangle. 2 lines. Connect them. Line over and then across. I'm going to make this line a little longer and then just go down. And then we will just connect this one up to here. I threw that off just a little bit, but that's okay. Now, before we add a tail and everything, we're going to add the wings. So we're going to start right up here, and I'm just going to use this line right here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then I'm going to go down like this. And then I'm going to bring it back to here. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to go down like this, and that's just going to connect there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, down, and then it's going to come right back to here. This little line is going to go over, and it's just going to connect to here. Now, this line here is going to go out, down, and it's just going to come back to here. Then a line that goes over and then down. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down. Then right here, I'm going to make a little skinny rectangle. another one right here. I've got a little too skinny, and then another one right there. And then I'm just going to connect these with some lines, do a little curved line here, and then a little diagonal line right there. Then another one here, we're going to do a little skinny line here, another little skinny rectangle there, and then one more right there. Then I'm just going to connect it here, curved line, nothing crazy, and then a little diagonal line right there. Then I'm just going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line over. Now, I got a little crazy with this spike right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the tail right over here. So I'm just going to draw a long line like this, and then another long line like this. And then I'm just going to connect it. Little line down, and then I'm just going to bring this line back. And then Ghidorah actually has two tails, so I'm going to do this one more time. Line out. Another one. Connect them. Little line down. And then we're just going to bring this line back. Then at the end here, I'm just going to add a little line that goes up, over, down, and then over. Same thing here, up, over, down, and over. Little rectangle shape on each end. Little line that goes over and across, just for a little bit of detail on his tail. Then right over here, I'm just going to add a little bit of a leg so we can see a little bit. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. Little line like this. Then a little line that goes down, over, and up. Little line that goes over and up. And then I'm just going to put 3 little rectangles on there for toes. Now the last thing I want to do is I just want to give them some eyes. So I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and over at an angle, up and then down like this. Another one that goes up and over. So I'm going to go up, we'll bring it all the way over here. We'll bring this one all the way over too. Another one here, up and over, up, and we'll bring it all the way over. And then we will just kind of add a little curved line in here for the pupil, just kind of color this in. And then right here, I'm just going to add a little bump on each nose just for the nostrils. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft King Ghidorah. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.